Math, lesson 56. Welcome back, everyone. We're glad to see you again. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Hello. Let's get started with our meditation. Very good. So have a seat and show me 2 fingers. Very good. We're going to use our 2 fingers to find our heart center. Good. Remember, we want to feel that boom, 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 boom. Focus our energy there. Our other hand is open in our laps. Take a deep breath. And close your eyes. Try and relax your body. Calm your mind. Good. Once you can feel it here at your heart center, relax your other hand. Keep that focus of energy at your heart center. We're focused at our heart center. We are calm and relaxed. Focused at our heart center. We are calm and relaxed. Okay, nice job. We'll slowly open our eyes. Come out of meditation together, taking 3 deep breaths. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Nice work, everyone. All right, up on our feet. We'll do the rest of our warm-up together. Great, so first, what do we do? Yep, stretch up towards the sky. Reach, stretch. You can interlace your fingers together, lean one way or the other. A nice big stretch. Good, and then? Very good. Shake, shake, shake it out. Or? Wiggle. Or wiggle, means same thing. And we can wiggle really slow. And wiggle really fast. Very good. Ouch. All right, then what do we do? We're gonna stretch down towards our toes. Stretch, reach for your toes. And then, very good. Shake, shake, shake it out. And then what? Whoa. Yep, then we spin around. How many times? 3 times. 3 times. But wait. First, I want you to spin this way as slow as you can. Slow as you can. Very good. Balance. 2, I want you to spin back this way as fast as you can. Very fast. Good, good. And 3, I want you to spin and jump. Oh, very nice. Okay, what's the last thing we do? We jump up and down. How many times? 3 times. But wait. First, I want you to jump this way as high as you can. Very good. And 2, I want you to jump back this way as low as you can. Very good, good. And 3, I want you to jump and spin. Whoa! Nice work, everyone. Have a seat, and we'll get started with our lesson. Great. So today, in math, is a review lesson, which is fun, because now we get to take a look back at several things we've learned in previous lessons and make sure we understand them. So, the first thing I want to do is class count together. So if I say 0, you say 1. Good, all right? So first we're going to go forward all the way to 20. All right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! All right, now we're going to go backwards all the way to 0. 20. Good. 18. 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 0. Very good, good. Counting forward and counting backwards, all the way to 20. So the next thing I want to review is our doubles. Doubles, yep, double, double. Remember we made our double dudes, which are hanging up in the classroom. And we learned all of our doubles, from 1 plus 1 all the way to 10 plus 10. All right, you guys remember what they are? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Good. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ew. Good. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Give me more. Very nice. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Give me more. Excellent. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Very good. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. Very good. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Very good. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's wait. Good. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very good. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And spin. Very good. And now for our new ones. 6 equals 12. Very good. So our first new one, 6 plus 6 equals 12. Hug yourself. Good. Big hug.
7 plus 7 equals 14.
14. Nice. Proud. Good. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Show your hands nice and clean. Good.
8 plus 8 equals 16.
Good. Look at that 8. It's getting away. There. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Stand up straight. Then we lean. Then we lean. Good.
9 plus 9 equals 18.
Yeah.
Like green and green.
Yeah, very nice. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Make a crown like king and queen. Good. And finally,
10 plus 10 equals 20. 20.
very good. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. Good. Plenty. It means many. There's many. All right, great. So we're going to run through our doubles together. So I want you up on your feet so you can move around with us. All right. Show me that you're ready. Good. All right. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Nice. 2 plus 2.
Give me more.
Very good. 3.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
6. Very good.
4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great.
Good. And
5 plus 5 equals 10. That's great.
good. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And spin. All right, let's start with our new ones. Wait for me. Ready?
6 plus 6 equals 12.
Good. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Hug yourself. 7 plus 7.
equals 14. Show your hands nice and clean.
Good, good. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Show your hands nice and clean. Good.
8 plus 8 equals 16.
Good. Then lean. Yeah. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Stand up straight. Then we lean. Good. Ooh. All right, let me hear you say it. 9. Like king and queen. Excellent. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Make a crown like king and queen. And finally,
10 plus 10 equals 20.
that's plenty. Good. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. Very good. All right, have a seat. Very good. Yep. So that's what we're going to do next. If you remember when we learned this and that in our English lesson, we also learned a little double, double, right? I want us to practice that too, since we're talking about all of our doubles, okay? So get up with your partner again in pairs. Face your partner. Pat. Very good. All right, so Teacher Shelby doesn't have a partner, but you have to pretend. So we start like this, right? With our partner. Okay? Let me see it. Show me. Right, all right. Double, double. This, this. Double, double. That, that. Double, double. This, that. Pretty good. You guys are getting better every time. All right. One more more time. Double, double, this, this. Double, double, that. Double, double, this, that. Ah, very good. Getting better every time. Very good. All right. So the next thing is we're going to talk about adding 3 numbers, which is what we've been focusing on the past 2 lessons. First, I want us to look at the equations when they're written this way. All right? And we're going to go through that example in a PowerPoint. Right? So I have just a few slides I want to go over with you. Please pay attention to the TV. So we talked about how we solve addition equations when there's 1, 2, 3 numbers, right? For example, here, 3 plus 4 plus 2. We have 1, 2, 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3 numbers.
9.
Yeah, so the way that we learned how to solve it was to group the first 2 numbers together. Remember? We add the first 2 first. Yeah, and 3 plus 4 equals 7. Good. Does equal 7. Here's our number line. 3 plus 4, 7. All right. So then, remember we can't forget about our 2. Now we add that to the 7. 7 plus 2 equals? It does equal 9. Very good. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 equals 9. Very good. So take a look at this one. We have 3 plus 6 plus 3. First, let's add 6 plus 3, which equals 9. It does equal 9. There's 3. We hop forward 6 times. We equals 9. So we don't forget our plus 3. Now we bring it down. Right? So 9 plus 3 equals 12. It does. So 3 plus 6 plus 3 equals 12. Very good. Very good. All right, I want to review those together on the whiteboard as well. So we're going to do a couple of examples of equations that run this way, and then we're going to do some equations that run this way, just like our ice cream cones, which was our homework. All right? So together, let's do, actually first let's use a number line in case we need it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good, very good, everyone. Thank you for the help. All right, so here's our number line in case we need it for our addition. So let's look at, let's do 8 plus 4 plus 5. Yeah, whoa, that's weird. You said that. All right, so first thing, let's add 8 plus 4.
Equals 12.
Yeah, 8 plus 4 equals 12. Let's take a look. Here's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12. Good. Now we bring our 5 down.
12 plus 5 equals 17.
12 plus 5. I don't have 12 fingers. I don't know how to count that. I'm going to use my number line. 12 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
17.
17. Good. And remember, we can also use next numbers and count in our head. I will. So remember, we can also count in our head using next numbers. So if we start at 12, say 12, 12, 12, 12, plus 5, plus 5. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, right? We can also count on our fingers forward. So 8 plus 4 plus 5 equals
18.
18?
19.
17. 17. Good. So what if we had, let's do
10 plus 3 equals 6 equals 19.
Good. But let's use our steps. First, let's add 10 plus 3.
Equals 13.
Equals what?
13.
13, right? 10, we can have 10 in our head, plus 3. 10, 11, 12, 13, all right? Or using our number line. 10 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 13. 13. We bring down our 6. Can't forget our third number.
Plus 6 equals 19.
13 plus 6. Very good. So we can start at 13 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 19. Very good. Or we can count in our head. We can have 13 in our head.
13.
Plus 6. All right, 6.
14.
Count next numbers.
13.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Good. 19. So 10 plus 3 plus 6 equals 19. Very good. So last lesson, we learned how to look at 3-digit addition equations when they run this way, right? Like on our ice cream cones, right? They were running vertical. So sometimes it'll look like this. Let's do 7 plus 3 plus 4, right? Yeah. So just the same as when they looked this way. First, we add the first two. So first, let's do 7 plus 3.
10.
Does equal 10. Very good. Equals 10. Don't forget our plus 4. So now we have 10 plus 4.
14.
Which equals 14. Very good. 14. 14. We start at 10 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14. So 7 plus 3 plus 4 equals 14. Very good. It's the same thing when it's written vertically. All right, we'll do one more together. Let's look at
2 plus 8 plus 6 equals 16.
2 plus 8 plus 6.
Equals 18.
First, let's add the first two numbers.
9.
Yeah, 8 plus 2 equals 10. Very good. So we write it over here.
16.
We don't forget to bring our 6.
16.
Very good. And 10 plus 6 is
16.
16. Good. 16. We start at 10 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16. Good. So 2 plus 8 plus 6 equals 16. Yeah, it does. All right, good job, guys. Adding 3 digits. So the second half of the lesson we're going to spend playing a game. Good. This is a new game for us. What we're going to use is our deck of playing cards, or a deck of cards numbered 0 to 12, I believe. This is how we're going to play. It's a new game for us. Each of you is going to need a sheet of paper, right? You're going to need scratch paper to write on, which I'll pass out. What we're going to do is make a board game from our cards. All of our cards are going to be spread out on the floor. I'll show you all an example when we get to play. What you do is you flip over 1, flip over 2. All right? You get to flip over 2 cards. You get 2 numbers. You then add those numbers together. All right? So if it's Teacher Shelby's turn and I flip over, let's say, I flip over 4. And then over here I flip over 9. So I got 4 and 9. I would then add them together. My sheet of paper, I would add 4 plus 9.
Equals 13.
Good. Equals 13. Good. And then it's the next person's turn. And they flip over 1, flip over 2. You get to add them together. All right? So the important thing is you keep track of your equations. Because at the end, we're going to add them all up, and whoever has the biggest one wins. What's also cool, if you say you flip over 1, and it's a 7, and then over here, flip over 2, it's a 7. You get 7 plus 7, right?
14.
Yep. You still write it and solve it, but when it's a double, when these 2 are the same, you get to keep the cards. All right? Yeah, you get to keep the cards.
Plus 7 equals 14.
14. Very good. All right, so I want you guys to play in your room. We are going to spread them out on the floor to have more space and sit in a circle around. So you guys play and practice. Watch us for an example, and then you can join us back here when you're finished. So I get 1 and 2. So just Teacher Shelby. Not you guys don't write, just me. I write 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, then I put him back. Okay, now Pak Bung's turn. 1, 2. 5. 5 plus 7. No. Right on your thing. I'll get you guys number lines if you need them. Okay, Pak Bung, you got it? Very good. Okay, now we flip them back over. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Okay, Nadia, flip 2. 9 and... Well, you don't get to do that. Flip 2. 5 and 7. Look at that. Same, same. Yeah, it is 12. Good. All right, now we'll put him back. I know, it's the same. Okay, Lakau, pick 2. 10.
10 and crayon.
Okay, 10 and 7. Very cool.
17.
Shh, don't tell her. Let Lakau do it.
17. Cold.
I'm good. Good right now.
Cold.
Cold.
No, cold. Cold noon. ที่ไหนนู่นหรือนู่น no ที่นี่
All right, Lakau. 10 plus 7. And flip these back over. Okay, Pata, flip over 2. Ooh, 8 plus 6.
equals
Use your number line.
40. 40. Teacher should be 40.
14,
Number
8,
14.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 14.
How do I 14.
Okay, nice work everyone. We hope you had fun practicing addition with us. That's going to be the last activity for this review lesson. Can everyone say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.